Your mobile knows you better than your best friend. Creepy? No, it's machine learning. And today you will learn how apps read your mind without touching it. Shall we start?
Okay, let's go.
Hi buddy, welcome back to our channel. In this series, we are gonna learn something super cool. The name is machine learning. Machine learning, yes, machine learning. Don't worry, this is not rocket science. Even if you are in 6th or 7th, you can understand everything. Let's break it down slowly, clearly, and have some fun. Okay, first question. Why should we learn machine learning? Simple. Machine learning everywhere around us, like a silent helper. When YouTube shows videos you like, machine learning. When your phone unlocks by seeing your face, machine learning. When Google Maps gives the fastest route, machine learning. When Snapchat adds filters on your face, also machine learning. Machine learning is like a smart student who learns from examples and helps your apps become smarter every day. So learning ML means understanding how the world around you actually works. What is machine learning? Listen carefully. Machine learning is not a science fiction. No robots, no takeover. Machine learning is training like Naruto. What is Naruto's goal? He wants to become a Hokage. Before that, he needs to become a Genin and then a Junin. So he trained under Kakashi Sensei and Jiraiya Sensei. That's called training or learning. In the same way, a computer is going to learn from you. You are the sensei for the computer. Hi sensei. Okay, come to here. You show a computer many examples. The computer studies them. Then it starts smart guesses. Example, if you show computer 100 photos of cats and 100 photos of dogs, it will slowly understand the difference between dog and cat. Next time you show a new picture of dog or cat something, it will say, I think it's look like cat. I think it's look like dog. Like that, it will make one decision based on your examples. That's it. That is machine learning. Real life examples. Let's unlock reality. Food app. You order biryani thrice. App thinks this sold house spicy. Next login, chicken patty on screen. That is machine learning spying on your taste. Next video app. You watch anime, gaming, and hype reels or hype charts. Algorithm whispers, I know this person. Boom, homepage is fire. Free Fire, anime, face unlock in your mobile phone. Your face already stored, it will open. Another person rejected. These all are some real world examples for machine learning. You have some idea, drop in the comment section. What you learn from this series? This is not theory class. This is power training like ninjas. We'll build machine learning model using Teachable Machine. No coding, no headache. No coding, is it possible? Yes, it's possible. In the first 6 to 7 videos, we build the model without code. You'll build image classification, sound classification, and pose detector using real datasets from Kaggle. By the end, you won't use apps, you will design intelligence. So, first episode ends here. Now you know why machine learning matters, how it thinks, where it lives. Episode 2, we're going to learn what is data, why data is must for machine learning, and we go live on Teachable Machine. First model from scratch. If your brain sparked even a little today, like, subscribe, upgrade yourself, gain into engineering. This channel is not entertainment, it's transformation with entertainment. And I am vegan, I would like to call myself Sensei. If you guys are okay with that, comment okay Sensei. I'll take the role of Sensei. And this is PPS Park. See you in the next video. Bye.